Hi, it's Matt from Octane. I hope you're well. Here we are with our latest addition to stock and our latest walk around video. This is a pretty rare van. This is a 2-litre TDI T6 with a 140 engine. So this is a 2016 T6 140 DSG Automatic Highline spec. The spec is really good on this. But to have a 140 engine is it's the engine everybody seems to be after at the moment. The kind of T5.1 engine, the last of the T5 140s in a T6. They're a rare van, they do exist. We've had a couple before. So you get the best of both worlds really. T6 looks with a 140 automatic. Fabulous service history, 2016, 2 previous owners. The previous keeper had the van just 5.5 years, so long-term ownership. 93,000 miles with an excellent service history, which will be detailed on our website later today. You can take a look at that or give us a call and we'll run through it with you. This van will come with 12-month MOT, plus one of our comprehensive warranties, and it'll be prepped to our exacting standards as normal here at Octane. So let's get into the detail of this one, because this is, as I say, a bit of a rare find. Rare colour. This is, I believe, cherry red. Don't quote me on that, but I think that is correct. It was an option colour. It suits it really well. Look at it in the flesh. It's a really deep red. It's lovely. So 2016, 2 previous owners. Last owner 5.5 years. We've got Sportline kit, as you can see, lower front bumper with the fogs. We've got fabulous aftermarket xenon headlamps, which are really cool. We've got chrome sidebars, chrome roof rails. This is a twin slider, so we've got sliding doors to both sides, which is extremely desirable, certainly if you've got kids. With this as well, these are soft close, so if I just open one of those there and then let it slide back, as it just engages, it doesn't do it right. And we just engaged there. You've got soft closed doors on them. That's to both sides of the vehicle. Wheels have been recently refurbished in gloss black. They are a 20-inch rim. Really good condition all round. Tyres are great. As I say, supplied with a fresh MOT and service before it goes out. So let's get into the detail. It's got loads of features, this van. The 140 engine is a massive plus. There's a lot of people looking for these. Really straight down both sides. Excuse the floor mat flying around in the background. Really straight down both sides. Moving on to the interior, where this really sets it apart, I think. All the stickers in all the right places. We've got factory black leather. Lovely, really comfortable. Automatic gearbox, twin captain's chairs with the armrests. Looking down below, flooring, absolutely lovely, really nice condition. Leather steering wheel, slight bit of wear on that wheel, but nothing too serious. Automatic gearbox. We've got start stop with heated screen, air conditioning, satellite navigation, media Bluetooth streaming, etc. Folding mirrors, electric folding mirrors and heated mirrors, electric windows to the front. And then, as I say, moving into the back, we've got twin sliders. This one also is a soft closed door, which is really nice. Quite a nice feature, so you don't have to slam them, etc. Factory black leather to the rear. Again, going down below, really nice down there and into the back there. We have just fully carpeted this from the cab backwards. 4 spotlights on a remote control operation. So it's freshly carpeted, insulated, lined. Drives superbly well. It's really quiet. Nice automatic gearbox. Super reliable 140 engine. Great place to be, I think, with the twin sliders and the tailgate. So moving around the rear, here we go, 140. All carpeted up there, carpeted all the way up to the rear. 4 spotlights, seats are nice in the back. We've got the tools to go in. Nice van, nice van. I like it. It drives really well. I like the 140 engine. They're a good machine. Super history. Those seats are to die for. Really, really smart, those. Few marks on the kick plates, but again, nothing serious, being hypercritical really for what we've got here. There's the remote control for the lights in the rear, and you can have those in all the different colours, should you wish. USB connectivity, so on and so forth. Nice van, really, really value this. Twin sliders, tailgate van, soft closed doors, great history, fully carpeted, insulated, lined, ready to go. This is ready to be used. We've done a couple of 100 miles in this. We've been using it while we've been waiting for the carpet to arrive, etc., and the time in the workshop. And I must say, it's a really, really good van. I've got to say it's treated us really, really well over the last couple of weeks, and loads of features, loads of benefits, and ready to go. So if you'd like to take a look, we've got indoor showrooms in Rochdale, North Manchester. Give us a call. Be a pleasure to show you around and talk through the vehicle in a little bit more detail. But there you go, 2016 T6 140 automatic. Thanks for watching.